Hi, this is Dirk from V&V Auto Sales. Start up our 87 K10. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. You can hear the radio in the background. There's the fan. There's your gauges all working. Horn works. And let's check the wipers. Check the lights and take a listen to the engine. I believe everything works. Only thing I haven't checked is the tank switch. It does have two new fuel tanks in it, so I'm gonna guess it works. Dome light works. Belt's messing off the air. The compressor is free, so we'll get a belt put on there. Seems to run good. Goes down the road nice. You can see a new hose been put on it. Probably a new alternator at one time. Looks like new wires. So that's some maintenance done to it. There's all your lights up front working. And your lights in back. So, appears that everything works on the truck. Nice solid Montana truck. 605-695-7391.